I would be king, and you will be my queen, 'cause we're lovers, that is a fact. Yes, we're lovers, that is that. Though nothing would keep us together, we could beat them just for one day. We could be heroes forever and ever. What you say? And you couldn't be mean. Nothing will help us. Maybe we're lying. Then you better not stay. I think you should go. It's better that way. I don't know, man. I think it needs some work. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NIIJII, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NIIJII, and on the guitar, Mr. Michael Lyons. Hey, everybody! And today's Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, NIIJII? What should be the Ojibwe word of the day? Oh, I don't know. How about NIIJII? NIIJII? You know what? We use it so much, but I don't think we've ever talked about it. NIIJII. In the Anishinaabe way, our word for friend is NIIJII. I mean, it's really kind of like for your male friend. It's your brother, NIIJII. And if you have a female friend who's not your sweetheart, who's just a pal, you would call her your NIIJII. NIIJII. So NIIJII is your male friend, and NIIJII is your female friend. And I remember one time I was on the drum with an elder, Benny Tones. And this kid comes up and he sees Benny and he goes, "Hey, Benny, BOOZHOO NIIJII." And Benny goes, "Yeah, how you doing?" And I go, "Hey, Benny, how do you feel about that when a younger person calls you their brother? I mean, you're their elder." This kid was like 15 years old, and Benny was like 85 or something. And he goes, "No, that's fine. That's, I'm his brother. I'm his elder, but I'm also his brother. I'm his friend." And he had no problem with it. But I was kind of like, I don't know, man. I don't like calling elders my NIIJII. I want to call them, something more respectful or something. I don't know. But I guess it's okay. So NIIJII or NIIJII. And, friendships. They're pretty important. Your friends are the family you choose. Your family are the friends you get dealt with. But, your good friends are the people who you can be yourself with, who accept you as you are. Don't you think so, Michael? Yeah, I suppose that's good. So there you go. All right, that's all I got for today. Let's keep it short. My name is NIIJII, and over here is Michael Lyons. And thank you for watching. Miigwech gana wabieg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawa Bamin Minawa. Hawa. Alright. You want to do another tune? Yeah, I suppose we could. Where's Natasha? You know, that's a good question. I wonder how many people out there going, where's Natasha? How come she wasn't on this show? It's just a couple of guys. Nobody wants to watch that. If you could read my mind. And we got Michael Lyons on the guitar here. Oh, take it away, NIIJII. If you could read my mind, what a tale my thoughts would tell. Just like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In a castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet, the ghost would be me. And I would never be set free as long as I'm a ghost you can see. And if I could read your mind, love, what a tale your thoughts could tell. Just like a paperback novel, the kind that the drugstore sells. When you reach the part where the heartache comes, the hero would be me. And heroes often fail. And you won't read that book again because the ending's just too hard to take. I walk away like a movie star who gets burned in a three-way script. Enter number 2, a movie queen to play the scene of bringing all the good things out in me. But for now, love, let's be real. Never thought that I could act this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone, and I just can't get it back. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts could tell. Just like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet, the story always ends. And if you read between the lines, you'll know that I'm just trying to understand the feelings that you left. I never thought that I could feel this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone, and I just can't get it back. Oh, that was great, Michael. Hey, thanks a lot. Gordon Lightfoot. And If I Could Read Your Mind. Oh man, that's a great old song.